Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you comment down below ideas you want to see on my channel. But if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Today's video is kind of exciting because today's actually wash day. Usually I'll do like a mask and then I'll do like my curly hair routine. I just took out my braids. But one of you guys actually recommended this brand to me in the comments. I love when you guys recommend products for me. Like, I love it. So if you have any ideas or anything that you're actually using that you love and you want me to try it and talk about it on this channel, comment it down below. Let me know, okay? Because I like spending money unnecessarily. I don't know why. I just have a problem. But so someone actually recommended this product and I was like, I need to check it out because I've been seeing like a lot of reviews and stuff about it. So I'm like, yeah, let me check it out. The name of the company is called Canvas Beauty Brand. I actually ordered their pink kit. It was actually a total of $153.96 for everything. It comes with 6 of their signature products. So it comes with their Hair Blossom Serum, their Edge Bay. It also comes with the Infinity Deep Conditioner. It also comes with Full Bloom Hair Follicle Booster. It comes with a Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo, and it comes with the Full Bloom Amplifying Conditioner. So these are all the products that I got. I am really excited about these, like so excited. They're actually full-size products. This Edge Bay, I think is an edge control. I think so. I think it is. I'm going to be doing my whole wash and go routine with these products. I'm so excited to try it out for you guys and do a first impression and tell you guys how I feel about it. So we're gonna head in the shower and actually apply the products in the shower, and actually, like, I'm not even gonna open it and smell it here. I actually want to have like a first initial reaction in the shower, just like how I will, you know, open any new product. Okay guys, so right now we're actually in my bathroom. I'm actually standing in my tub. First thing I'm gonna do is actually damp my hair so like the products can actually work perfectly on my hair. Okay, so I just wet my hair. My curls are looking really nice, like, but they're not defined as I want them to be. So the first product I'm going to use is the Full Bloom Hair Follicle Booster. This one right here. It is recommended to apply this before the shampoo and conditioner. So the directions say that I should apply like a dime size amount to the hair and scalp and lather through and then massage the scalp. So I'm going to take a little bit. I like to use a lot of product, so excuse that. I'm gonna just rub it on my hand like that and then apply it to my hair. Okay, a dime size is not enough because I have a lot of hair. I don't know who made these instructions. So I'm just gonna wait for 5 minutes and then wash it off and then move on to the next step. This booster doesn't say that I should rinse it off. It said let it sit for 5 minutes and then follow up with the shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm not going to rinse it out. I'm just going to apply the shampoo and then wash the shampoo off and then go in with the conditioner. I don't know why, but for some reason, like, I like the minty feel to it. Like, my hair feels refreshed. I feel like if I'm on vacation and I don't want to like wash my hair, I could just apply this and then rinse it off. It's like a dry shampoo in a liquid form. If you guys, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Like, I feel refreshed, and my hair was really dirty. I haven't washed my hair in like 2.5 weeks, so like I feel like my hair is so refreshed. But anyways, let's go to the next step. So this is the Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo. And then what is the instructions for this? So the instructions say that I should apply like a dime piece amount to my hair and scalp and then leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse. Also, it also say that I should repeat once, so that means I should do it twice. So I'm gonna do it twice. The shampoo, it smells really good. Like, it have like a weird texture to it. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the texture is different. But it smells really good. I'm gonna massage my scalp for like 2 to 3 minutes. Rinsed it off and then apply the shampoo again. As you can see, it's not enough product. Like, I need maybe another dime as well. So let me put that in the back of my hair. Massage. Okay, I'm gonna wash and then repeat the same step again. So I just washed out the shampoo out of my hair. So now I'm gonna go back with the shampoo again and do the same thing. I'm gonna do, this time I'm gonna do 3 dimes. 2, 3. I like using a lot of product. Mind you, I do have high porosity hair. So my hair basically like just take anything. I like to describe my hair as like a strong black woman because anything goes, okay? Like, I like that though, but sometimes it can get a little bit overwhelming because it's hard for my hair to tell me if products are not good for my hair because it just takes anything. But for some people it's different. So if you have really like low porosity hair, that might be a blessing as well because you can tell if something is not right and you could actually change it. But when you have high porosity hair, you don't know, like, because your hair just like take anything. So I don't like that. So the next product is the conditioner. It is the Full Bloom Amplifying Conditioner. Okay, first, the shampoo. I feel like literally my hair, I don't feel any oils anymore. That means it literally just stripped out all the oils from my hair, which is a good thing when you have natural hair because you don't want like extra oils lingering on your hair. Like, it's just not good. Like, it's just build up because when you have too much oil build up, it just like mess up your growth. So I actually like when shampoos actually get rid of all my oils, all the toxic stuff out of my hair and the leave-in conditioners out. So my hair feels a little bit dry. But I hope this conditioner will like revive it back a little bit. So I'm going to apply it. The instructions say that I should leave it for 15 minutes. I like to put a lot of conditioner, but I'm trying to be careful because the last time I put too much shampoo and it was just too much. I like to lather it like this. And then, whoa, that's a good conditioner. Okay, like immediately when I put it on my hair, I felt like a softness. Like my hair was like dry just now, and as soon as I applied it, I felt softness. Okay, first impression, that's a ooh, wow. My hair, like, what? This is really good. What? Like, I can't believe it. I don't know, like, I'm not overreacting, guys. Like, I have never had this type of reaction in my life, like, to any conditioner. Usually conditioners start acting the way they're supposed to act after a while, but not initially. Like, as soon as I applied it on my hair automatically became soft. Automatically. Like, right now, it's like, I don't know if you guys can see how soft it is. What? Wow. This is crazy. Okay, it doesn't tell me to rinse it off after 15 minutes. I think obviously I'm supposed to rinse it off. But the next step is the Full Bloom Infinity Deep Conditioner. Right here. This actually, you're supposed to leave it in for 45 minutes. So since this conditioner is already like soaking up, I'm going to also apply this as well so that they can all soak up together. I hope it works. So I'm just going to take like this amount of product. Wow, my hair is so soft. Jeez, I don't know if you guys can see this. Like, I need to detangle, by the way, so when I apply this, I'm actually going to detangle. Whoa, whoa, this is nice. So this is the brush I usually take to detangle my hair. I just love it. Like, I got it from Amazon. I'm going to link it down below for you guys. This up, I actually showed you guys in my wash and go routine video, if you guys haven't watched that yet. But this brush is like amazing. I know I'm like going like a little bit aggressive, but it's okay. So this is the amount of hair that came out after detangling. It's actually regular. This is like the amount that usually sheds every wash and go. So it's not bad. It's not like an excessive amount of shedding. Like, if you have natural hair, you just know your hair is gonna shed. that's just part of life. So I'm gonna like take a shower and like do my, you know, feminine stuff that I usually do in the shower to just kill time, and then I'm gonna come back and actually continue with the review. Hi guys, so I just got out the shower and I am actually about to apply the Hair Blossom Serum because on the instructions it said that I should leave it in for 45 minutes. So while I'm getting ready and doing all the extra stuff, might as well just like, you know, kill time. So my hair is a little bit hair dry, so I'm gonna just apply this. I don't really like the applicator of this thing. I think you just squeeze it. You're supposed to apply it on your scalp, so just like so. Let me smell it first. They have a very interesting smell. Like, it kind of smells like rice. I don't know. Like, I'm really bad with smells, but, and this is what it looks like. It looks like honey. Like, it looks really pretty. I'm gonna like take a size like this and just apply it on my hair. Again, not enough product. Okay, I think I'm just gonna just stick to using 2 to 3 dimes of product because 1 is not enough. I'm actually going to part my hair and just apply it like on my actual scalp. Yeah, I don't like the smell of this stuff, like this one. I don't think I want my hair to smell like this. I don't like the smell of it. It's not refreshing. It's like something fermented. You know, like when you do the rice water, when the fermented rice water, if you guys do that, that's what it's giving me. The ingredients don't say anything about rice, but it does have flax seeds. So flax seeds are kind of like a wheat, kind of like in the rice category. So they have like a fermented smell, which I don't really appreciate because I like my hair to smell fresh. Like, I like when I pass by, people are like, oh, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's a whole aroma. I don't think I would like, I mean, for the growth purposes, for the good of the product, maybe I would use it, but the smell is just, I don't want my hair to smell like this. Like, if you guys have tried this too, let me know how you guys feel about it. But I'm gonna go get ready and like get ready for my day and then come back and give you guys a full review. Also, I'm gonna wait for my hair to dry a little bit and then I'm gonna use the edge control, just lay down my edges and see actually how it works. Okay guys, so lastly we're gonna use the edge control. I'm really excited to try this because guys, I have so many edge controls, like so many edge tamers, all these brands that just claim, okay, but first impression, it's thick. And don't judge my brush, okay? Like, if you have hair, okay, because there's always those bald people that always have something to say, but if you have hair, you know that some things are kind of messy, especially like my edge control brush. It's just always messy and I keep buying new ones and it just doesn't do it, so don't judge it. But it's kind of thick. This is like, this type of edge controls I like it's like for natural hair. Like, if it's this thick, it's usually like really good. So let's try it out. I just put a little bit on the brush and I'm just gonna swoop. I'm just gonna swoop it. Okay, hold on. Okay. Not bad for the first go. Not bad at all. Wow. Y'all see this? Wow, just the first swoop and it's already like, what? Okay, this is good. This is good. That's just like, okay, let me do another part. Let's do this part. I like to just take out a little bit of baby hairs and then like just put it down because my forehead is really big and I like to cover it. Swoop de doop. Wait, oh god, I just messed it up. That was my finger. That was in the edge control. Okay, it's sticking. As you guys can see, it's sticking. My forehead is sweaty. I don't know why I'm sweating. Okay guys, so I have actually laid my edges. I am not really like an edge layer. Like, You know, people are just good with like laying edges. I'm not the best at laying my edges, but I try my best. I absolutely feel like this tamer is amazing. Like, this is going to be my new edge control because it's like so thick, and it's just like for natural hair. Like, usually I use like the Got2b glue to like lay down my edges, like the glue, not even the gel, because I can't find any like edge control that actually like lay down my edges. But this one is so amazing. Okay, so my final review for this product, I think these products are amazing, like amazing. Like, guys, I am definitely going to repurchase these stuff again. As soon as like everything run out, I'm actually going to repurchase. I will like use these products. I will incorporate it into my wash and go routine for the next months to go, for as long as they last. So just so I can see like how like my hair would change, you know, because I like trying different products. If you also have products that you have tried and you want me to try, let me know down below, comment down below. But I absolutely recommend these products. They're so nice, like so nice. The only thing I don't like is the smell of this serum. Like, that's the only thing I did not like. But I don't like, I mean, that should not really matter, right? Because that's not what the whole thing is about. I could just like cover the smell up with like another leave-in conditioner. Another thing as well that I noticed is like the pink kits don't have a leave-in conditioner. I think they have a leave-in conditioner on the website. I'll definitely purchase that, and just to try it out and see how it is, because I definitely need a leave-in conditioner so I can retain my, you know, moisture and all that stuff. But yeah, these products actually shocked me. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be, you know, good. You know, sometimes when you hear black owned, you're just like, like maybe it's not gonna be good. You know, you just have these like assumptions about black owned businesses. You know, sometimes like they don't give like the best service or the best product, but these products are actually really good. Like, I really like every single one of them except the smell of that serum. So I feel like my hair feels really soft, like really soft. It's so like really like, it feels like, oh my god, butter, like butter. I'm actually going to put a leave-in conditioner there because these products do not have a leave-in conditioner. But my hair feels so good, so soft, and like it's shining. As you guys can see, like my hair is like, it looks so healthy. I love it. Like, it looks so nice, and my hair did not like react to it anyway. I mean, I have high porosity hair, anything goes anyway, but I really like the fact that it made my hair really shiny and just like luscious. Like, I love it so much. But yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. Make sure, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, comment down below ideas you want to see, and make sure you read the description box, because the description box have so many information, so much information, okay, that you might need. By the way, these headbands are from lumispice.com. You guys know I always rock my products in every video. You gotta represent. It's called marketing, you know? Okay. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine. You fine.